Hello, I'm Dr. Andrew Spires. Still getting used to being called Coach Spires. That's okay. That's okay. I do coach cross country. I've coached my kids soccer and basketball and other sports over the last 16 years. Scary. So I teach your child accelerated pre-calculus. The platform that we use is Google Classroom. I'm not a fan of Verge. Google Classroom didn't crash last year when we shut down. Verge only did it once, but that was enough to push me over the edge into Google Classroom. So now that's where I am. My classroom expectations, I really want students to feel comfortable in my classroom. The first couple weeks are usually messy while I'm sorting out, just getting to know the students, and I don't think it's healthy for students to sit in a math class with their eyes wide open, just scared. I'm not a drill sergeant, a drill instructor. That's just not how I run my classroom. So I like students to learn to be comfortable and respectful, and they do. And hopefully that's the vibe that students have in the classroom. They can ask questions, they can take risks, but they also are respectful of me and each other. And that's kind of where we are now. The big concepts of this course, of course, trigonometry. That used to be the course prior to calculus. It was just called trigonometry. Sometimes it was trig and other topics. Here comes my little puppy. Hey, buddy. But we also learned matrices. I love introducing the matrix when students realize the matrix is just a box of numbers. Not quite the same appeal for the name of a movie, for sure. And we learn vectors, and we learn a little bit of statistics toward the end, which is fun. I actually enjoy the little bit that we do teach is actually a course that I like to teach. I've taught statistics, intro to stat at the college level. I teach pre-calculus and calculus at Georgia State periodically. So those are the big concepts of the course that we'll study. We're deep into trig now. We'll learn matrices, vectors, and statistics second semester. I tutor every morning, 7:40 till 8 o'clock. Also on Thursdays when we have that long hour and 40 minutes of advisement, students are able to come and work in my classroom if they want to. The best method to reach me is definitely via email. I go back and forth with email off and on all day long. Easiest way to get in touch with me, and I respond quickly. I think that's pretty much it. I am marginally the Mu Alpha Theta sponsor right now. Miss Olstrom and I are going to share the responsibilities. I coach cross country in the fall, and so I feel like I'm not really doing that club service in the fall, but in the spring, after mid-November, I'll be much more available to help with that club, and then she coaches tennis in the spring, and I can kind of take over. So I'm hoping the two of us can co-sponsor that club so that I can continue to be a part of it. I think that's it. Reach out to me anytime, and I hope that your child is being successful in the class. If your child is struggling, have them see me as soon as that happens. All right, take care.